Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off video autoplay on the Facebook app for both iPhone and Android. This will help you save data, reduce distractions, and stop videos from playing automatically as you scroll. Let's start with iPhone. Open the Facebook app and tap the hamburger menu. That's the 3 lines icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then choose Settings. Keep scrolling until you reach the Preferences section and tap Media. Under the Autoplay section, you'll see a few options. Select Never Autoplay Videos. That's it. Videos will no longer play automatically while you're browsing your feed. If you're using an Android phone, the steps are almost the same. Open the Facebook app, tap the hamburger menu in the top right corner, then go to Settings and Privacy, tap Settings, scroll to Preferences, and select Media. Finally, under Autoplay, choose Never Autoplay Videos. Now your Facebook feed will stay quiet, your mobile data will last longer, and you won't have to deal with videos playing automatically again. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments what tutorial you'd like to see next.